5 things why I hate owning a BMW. Number 1, it drinks oil like I drink this coffee. But that's not a bad thing. If you are driving a BMW properly, it will use oil. It's not a Camry, it's not a Prius. Of course, it's a performance vehicle. That just means it's going to be a little bit more thirsty than other cars and you are driving it properly. So just be careful about your oil levels and top it off between intervals and it's no big deal, right? The second thing that I hate about owning a BMW is the constant warnings and chimes and bangs and everything, because every time I hear it I have a mini heart attack. Of course, it's dreadful. You think that everything has gone wrong, your engine is kaput, and then you look at the dashboard and you see there's just 3 degrees outside, or that you're on fuel reserve. The panic sets in, then it goes away, and now you can start your day properly thanks to BMW's warning sound systems. They couldn't have made it different sounds, I guess, for different purposes. I don't know, man. I guess it's their way of making you tougher mentally. The third thing that I hate about owning a BMW is that sometimes people think you are a menace and you have that BMW driver image. People might think you have anger issues. Others might think you are driving drunk. Others might think you are under influence. Others will assume that you'll be aggressive in traffic. Sometimes you're just all of those things combined, because hey, that's the way it is, especially here in Eastern Europe. The fourth thing that I hate but not really about owning a BMW is that it's a massive red flag for the girls. And if you just talk with a girl on a dating app or whatever and she asks you, oh, so what do you drive? And you're saying, I have a BMW, she's gonna be like, no thank you, and leaves you on scene, ghosts you. Why? Because I don't know. Ask them, not me. I'm not a dating coach. Do I care? Not really, because it just means I saved some huge headaches and have more money for parts and fuel, so I guess it's a win-win. And finally, the fifth thing that I hate about owning a BMW is the whole not using a blinker or your turn signals or your indicator, whatever, man. There's this whole meme on the internet about BMW drivers and turn signals and how it's just an optional and we didn't get it on our car. Look, man, the problem is that the BMW indicators are a little bit weird and different than in any other car I've driven. So if you are not used to it, you will understand like after driving for a while, but obviously most of the time we just don't care because it's a BMW thing. Sometimes I don't signal on purpose just to fit in with the BMW driver image, right? So what are 5 things that you hate about a BMW? And let me know down in the comments. Obviously, I love the car. If I hate it, I wouldn't have driven one and owned one. So this is like a fun little video. Yeah, I was bored, man.